So I wanted to take a minute in between phone calls. My phone has been ringing off the hook the past few days, and talk to you guys a little bit about what's going on with mortgage rates and kind of how we're managing all of this. A lot of this has to do with the craziness that is going on in our world right now. I don't know if any of you went to Costco or the grocery store today. I did. Costco has been out of toilet paper for 5 days. Amazon out of toilet paper. People are kind of panicking a little bit. I guess time will tell if that is a good panic, a bad panic, I don't know. But because of all the craziness with the coronavirus and everything that's going on in the market, it has a huge impact on my business and on mortgage rates. So I've gotten so many calls, hey, I heard rates have dropped, I want to refi. Oh, the Fed lowered rates, I need you to lower my mortgage rate. Well, here's a little bit of detail that you guys need to know so you can be more educated on the mortgage business. When the Fed drops rates, that is not related to mortgage rates. It's a very common misconception. A lot of people think so, but it's not related. Now, there may be some correlation down the road, but it is definitely not immediate. So mortgage rates are based on how mortgage-backed securities are trading. Typically, the 10-year Treasury and mortgage-backed securities trade kind of as a pair. When one goes up, the other goes up. When one goes down, the other goes down. Right now, the 10-year Treasury is lower than it's ever been, and it just keeps dropping, which is unprecedented. The market right now, we have not seen this before. Nobody really knows what's going to happen. Is the 10-year Treasury going to keep going down? And typically, mortgage-backed securities will follow. Pricing, mortgage rates, follows mortgage-backed securities. So everybody usually watches the 10-year Treasury and just assumes that's going down, mortgage rates must be going down. Right now, the way that investors are reacting is it's just different because this is not how the market has acted in the past. Nobody really knows what to do because it's not how it has always been. The other thing that goes into mortgage rates is the value of servicing a loan. So how long will a borrower be in a loan? How long will they be paying that interest? And there's so much uncertainty there. Are rates going to keep dropping and people are going to pay off their loans early? Are they, going to say, oh my gosh, rates are lower, so now I can go buy a bigger house? And they're going to stop making that payment and the lender is going to stop earning that interest. Also, hedge costs have gone up, so that's a whole other factor and that's a whole other video. But we're really hoping that the market settles down in the next few days, everybody calms down a little bit, and that we're going to see a rate improvement. Nobody really knows how long that's going to take, but I know I have a lot of clients right now, and you're probably watching, and you're ready to refi, you've started your loan disclosures, and now your rate's just kind of floating, and you're waiting for me to hop in and lock it. And I want you to know I am watching, and as soon as rates are good, we're gonna jump on it. Hopefully that will be next week, but we'll see. Luckily, when you're refinancing, you typically have some time to work with, and you're not necessarily in a rush. So rates, even though they're not quite as good as everybody hopes and expected right now, they're still phenomenal. And, if you're thinking about buying a house, if you're thinking about moving, gosh, what a great time. What a great time to do this. We definitely focus a lot on purchases, and if you are moving, we know this is a very big time for you. This is a very big financial decision. Purchases always take priority because of the deadlines and because of the people that are involved. I want you to know we are still closing loans quickly. If you are going out to look for a new house this weekend and you want to say, hey, I want to close in 3 weeks, great. Come to me and we will get that done for you, absolutely. If you want to take longer, that's great too. I want you to know service and taking care of you, getting you into the best loan possible for you with the best rates and no lender fees is definitely a priority. So if there's anything I can do, please let me know. I'm here. I'm Trish Reedy, your mortgage lender. Talk to you soon.